Post-war world and India. 10th class social part 2 bits English medium. Cold war means traditional war, nuclear war, war through propaganda and words. Space war. Correct answer, war through propaganda and words. Dispute of Brahmaputra and Ganga is between Bharat and Bangladesh, Bharat and Pakistan, Bharat and Nepal, Bharat Sri Lanka. Correct answer, Bharat and Bangladesh. The first satellite of USSR is Aryabhatta, Sputnik, INSAT 1A, Bhaskara. Correct answer, Sputnik. Bandung Conference 1955 was significant with the formation of Non-Aligned Movement, Palestinian Liberation Organization, United Nations Organization, World Bank. Correct answer, Non-Aligned Movement. International Court of Justice located in Geneva, Hague, London, Warsaw. Correct answer, Hague. Congo got independence in 1960, 1962, 1959, 1957. Correct answer, 1960. The US sent Neil Armstrong to the moon in 1961, 1969, 1970, 1968. Correct answer, 1969. The first summit was held at Belgrade in Yugoslavia in September in 1970, 1960, 1961, 1962. Correct answer, 1961. North Atlantic Treaty Organization signed in 1949, 1947, 1945, 1948. Correct answer, 1949. Holy city for Jews, Christians and Muslims alike. Rome, Israel, Jerusalem, Makkah. Correct answer, Jerusalem. China became a communist republic in 1947, 1948, 1949, 1950. Correct answer, 1949. China invaded in October 1960, 1962, 1963, 1965. Correct answer, 1962. Diplomatic relations between India and China restored in 1976, 1977, 1975, 1980. Correct answer, 1976. Sri Lanka got its freedom in 1948, 1949, 1947, 1950. Correct answer, 1948. World Health Organization located at Geneva, Paris, New York, London. Correct answer, Geneva. UNESCO located at Paris, New York, Geneva, Moscow. Correct answer, Paris. UNICEF is located at Norway, Spain, New York, Washington. Correct answer, New York. Fidel Castro belongs to dash country. Latin America, Chile, Congo, none. Correct answer, Latin America. This is not a principle of UNO. Preserving peace, upholding human rights, colonization, respecting international law. Correct answer, colonization. PLO leader Yasser Arafat, Abdul Nasser, Saddam Hussein, Bhutto. Correct answer, Yasser Arafat. Bandung Conference took place in the year 1950, 1955, 1959, 1965. Correct answer, 1955. The chief architects of non-alignment movement: Nehru, Sukarno, Marshal Tito, all of the above. Correct answer, all of the above. International Court of Justice at New York, Hague, Paris, Geneva. Correct answer, Hague. Third world countries are Vietnam, Korea, Angola. All. Correct answer, all. Millions of Jews were killed and jailed in Italy, Germany, Britain, France. Correct answer, Germany. UNICEF full form: United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, United Nations Internal Children's Emergency Fund, United Nations International Children's Education Fund, United Nations International Children's Emergency Function. Correct answer, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Option A correct. UNESCO full form: United Nations Educational and Scientific Culture Organization, Unity National Educational and Scientific Culture Organization, United Nations Educational and Scientific Country Organization, United Nations Educational and Scientific Culture Operation. Correct answer, United Nations Educational and Scientific Culture Organization. Option A correct. The Eastern European country under USSR influence: Poland, France, Britain, Spain. Correct answer, Poland. The Western European country under USA influence: France, Poland, Hungary, Eastern Germany. Correct answer, France.